around 60. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Monday, breezy, sunny. Highs in the... Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Weber County in northern Utah, south central Box Elder County in northern Utah, west central Davis County in northern Utah, north central Tuella County in northern Utah until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Knowles to near Clive, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dell, Clive, Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, Utah Test and Training Range north, Great Salt Lake north of the Causeway, Tip Island, and Lakeside. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Get on or near the Great Salt Lake. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis, Tuella, and Weber. The